Hello everyone. In the previous video, we covered the basic usage and syntax of Nmap commands. If you haven't watched it, the link is in the description, and see it before watching this. In this video, we're going to dive into the different port scan techniques that Nmap offers. So, what are the different scan techniques available in Nmap? Let's dive in and see with more details. Before begin, your valuable subscription will be a great support us to create more useful videos like this. Nmap offers several different types of scans, including ping scans, TCP scans, and UDP scans. Let's get started with the ping scan. One of the most important things to do on connecting to a network is to obtain a list of all active hosts on the network before further probing. The ping scan is used to determine if a host is alive and reachable. This scan involves sending ICMP packets to all the IPs in the network and waiting for responses. If the host with the IP is alive, the host will reply with an ICMP packet. The syntax for the scan is like this. Let's check this scan with a test case where we scan the 10.20.32.0/24 network portion to see what hosts are up and running. You can see that Nmap scans all the IPs in the given range and identified all the available hosts. Next we have TCP scans. Nmap offers several different types of TCP scans, including the connect scan, the SYN scan, the fin scan, the null scan, and the XMAS scan. The TCP SYN scan is the popular type of scan among others due to its capability to avoid security barriers like firewalls and IDSs. This scan is also known as the half-open or stealth scan as well. First of all, let's examine how this TCP SYN scan happens. First, the Nmap starts by sending a TCP packet with the SYN flag set. Using the receiving reply, Nmap can identify the status of the port. After identifying the state of the port, Nmap directly sends an RST packet to the target which closes the connection. This performs a half TCP handshake. Since this SYN scan never completes a TCP connection, it is relatively unobtrusive and stealthy. If the target port responds within SYN ACK, which means that there is an open TCP port available. If the response is an RST, the port is closed. If there are no responses received, Nmap will label it as a filtered port. The syntax for the scan is like this. Now let's do a TCP SYN scan on my target 10.20.32.203 and see what we can find. As you can see, this shows all open TCP ports and running services. Using these results we can do advanced scans to identify more information about the target. In the next video, I will show you how you can identify more details using advanced scan queries in Nmap. Finally, we have UDP scans. UDP scans are used to determine if a UDP service is running on a target host. Since UDP is a connectionless protocol, Nmap relies on response packets to determine if a service is running. The syntax for the scan is like this. So let's do a UDP scan on my target and see how it goes. As you can see, now we have details about all open UDP ports and running services on our target. So, those are the main port scan techniques available in Nmap. By using the right scan technique, you can gather information about your target hosts and services more efficiently and effectively. In the next video, we'll cover more advanced scanning techniques, such as OS detection, version detection, and TCP/IP stack fingerprinting. So stay tuned. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.